Hi, this is Noah at Screen Print Exchange. This is the third video. I found out what's wrong with this, and right here, you see this tab right here? It's supposed to be right there. So this thing is broken, and I'm not going to repair it because I never liked this unit. It's good for the hobbyist. I will get 2 units. I'll get one for interior and one for exterior, and I'll probably have it for my rest of my life, maybe. And I won't get industrial grade ones. I'll pay for it. It'll be worth it. So we got scrap metal here. I'm sorry. I thought it'd be good. I've maybe used it like 20 times over the last few years, but I would step away from this one, get something simpler. That's the review. There's no repair because it's broken, but it was fun taking it apart because that thing really fell apart, and it's over engineered. So thank you. Bye.